Alright guys, so we're here in Hialeah Gardens doing a brand new driveway, but this is a little bit different because they came to us because they legit had a problem here, right? So they had these big roots coming out of the ground from here, which they had to hire a complete different company to take that out. And now we gotta hire another company to come and take these roots out, which is what was affecting the whole driveway, being sinked down all the way through. The water was staying here. They would probably only have 2 parking spaces over here. It was a mess. I'll show you the before pictures, but absolutely when we come now, we're gonna take this out, redo it one more time without the roots, of course, level it all completely, the whole sidewalk, 2 brand new approach, and a beautiful brand new driveway, giving them a more than ample space compared to what they previously had.